up, guys? We are in the Heights, Jersey City, New Jersey, in a really quiet street. We're going to be showing you this beautiful new construction condo unit, and it's going for $989,000, just a little bit under $1 million. It's 1,700 square feet, has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and I can't wait to show you guys. Well, if you're new to this channel, feel free to click the like button and the bell notification so you can see what's going on here on our channel. We'll be showcasing everything there is to know about Jersey City and surrounding areas. And my name is Brianna. This is living in Jersey City, New Jersey. And if you're moving soon to New Jersey, feel free to call, text, or email us. Our information is down below, and we'll be happy to help you out. Well, without further ado, let's check inside. I love this tan brick already. So you can see the exterior is tan and black, and it just shows you how beautiful this construction is. But let's see the inside. Wow. This space is absolutely incredible. I've never seen a kitchen like this in my entire life. That's a bit exaggerated, but it's true. This is a black quartz waterfall countertop, and this is, yeah, we'll talk a little bit more about it, but let me just show you the rest of the space. So you have large windows, and the light pours into the space. You don't even need to turn on the lights in the day. It just goes into the kitchen as well. And right behind the cameraman, Adrian, we have this bamboo wall finish. Beautiful accent. Creates a little more depth. Creates a little bit more depth in the space. And I love how you see on this corner, you have a window on this edge and a window on that edge, opening up the space even more. I've never seen something like that either. This builder is doing something special here. So all around on the floors, we have a white oak and plenty of storage space in the kitchen. Whoa. Wow, this is super unique. I'm fascinated. I love the black contrasting with the white and the gold. It really stands out and makes this space pop. And you have stainless steel appliances, 4-burner stove with a griddle and a pot filler, which adds to the luxuriousness of this home. And these cabinets open in on its own. You just need a little bit push. But let's do that again. Look. Oh, this is very interesting. All right. Well, we have natural wood for the cabinets as well, and a built-in microwave. I always don't know how to open these. Oh, there you go. Click of a button. That's your microwave. You don't need to touch anything. You drop whatever in there, and then... Oh, wait, no, actually, look. And then wave touch clear. Okay, maybe this. That's it. And you have drawers even down here. That's super awesome. All right. Let's head into the bedrooms. We have the first bedroom facing the backyard driveway. And you have a full bed here, so you can kind of get an idea of the space. We have recessed lighting and closet space as well. And this is built-in shelves, so you don't have to do your own organization. You don't have to go to like the Container Store or anything. More storage space. Put your towels there. And another bedroom. This is a twin, but you can fit a full in here as well. So it's the same size as the one that we just saw. With closet space, of course. Built-in shelves. Let's see. Look at this railing. Everything is very matchy-matchy in here. You have the beautiful wood with the contrasting black metals. There's the first bathroom. Go take a look. You have blue accents for the cabinets and on the mirror. Wow, beautiful marble showers. And let's head into the master. So in this master, you're facing the backyard. No, that was the side yard I mentioned before. You're facing the backyard here, so it's super serene. And you have enough space to fit a queen or even a king in this space. We have 2 closets, one for each person. Wow, and it's built in. This one's large. Actually, come here. It's not 2 closets. It's one with 2 doors. Yeah. There you are. And it's built-in shelving as well. That's beautiful. Much needed. Sometimes when I move into a new place, I take a long time to buy a dresser. But if you have this built in, you don't have to worry about any of that. Wow. You have 2 vanities and a smart mirror that spreads across both sinks. This is super special. I've never seen a mirror this long. Some mirrors, oh, there you go. You can change the lighting. But I like the warm one. There. Come in. Look at this glass shower. They did it different in the master. You have this luxurious looking
porcelain tile.
Wow, I love that black shower. That's gorgeous. It feels like you're in a secluded space, kind of like in the jungle or something. Okay, you can put a TV here. This is what this is for. But I personally wouldn't put a TV in the bedroom. Built-in washer dryer. Right next to the bedroom is very convenient. Let's go down. Fully finished basement. You have this ledge here if you want to put anything on here. It'd be nice. Maybe decorate. Fully finished basement. You have a hangout spot here and a wet bar with a wine fridge. That's awesome. Look at that. So when you have people over, you can have everyone down here, have some drinks, make some pina colada, wash your hands. Whoa, why is it soapy? Oh, it's just foamy. And I love the shelving here. Maybe I would put not decorative things, but, use this as a more functional cabinet. Let's check the backyard. Nice backyard. You have some of the backyard paved, and then you also have your grass area, so you can plant whatever you want back here. Put some chairs, put a grill out here, have a picnic. And right now I can't hear anything. Like, it's so quiet. Only the birds chirping. And here you have a walkway to the front so people can come straight to the back without going through the house, which is essential. This floor also has a bathroom for the guests, half bath. Utilities are here, HVAC, heatless, what is it?
Tankless.
Tankless, tankless water heater, heatless water tank. And we have the garage. Wow. This is polyurethane? Is it?
Epoxy.
Epoxy, that's the word. Something with a pa sound. So you can park your garages here. You could probably fit like 4 cars. I think this is a 5-car garage, actually. Love this. Extra storage space. There's no light in here, but it's super clean. And it smells nice. Why does it smell like almonds?
Yeah.
Right? You know, like almond essential oil or something? Like that strong almond, you know, the almond ice cream bar? That's what it smells like. What is that brand? Good Humor. It smells like the almond Good Humor bar. And we're outside. That's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video of this brand new condo converted 2-family. This is Living in Jersey, New Jersey. I'm Brianna, and tell us what you like about the house. Tell us what you would do with it, and if you're looking to move, feel free to call us. We'll be happy to help you out and to see you around. And yeah, if you're new to our channel, click the bell notification, subscribe, comment. Thank you. Bye. Just kidding. I didn't mean to say bye yet. So tell you a little bit more about the neighborhood. It's very close to New York City. You can get there in like 20 minutes by car or even by bus. And you have a couple of really nice eateries around here. You have the Hutton, you have Dulce de Leche, and you're around really nice parks here as well. So if you want to learn more about the Heights in Jersey City, New Jersey, we have a video on the Heights, especially just for that. Here, or here. Anyway, thank you so much. Now this is the final goodbye. Peace!